Hi, welcome to my channel Easy Learning with Poonam Jain. And today's topic is fractions. I hope you remember that each fraction has two parts, numerator and denominator. You might also remember what are equivalent fractions and how can we check whether the fraction is equivalent or not. If you don't remember, I have given the links of the videos in the description area about equivalent fractions and how to check whether the fractions are equivalent or not. And today we will learn to reduce the fraction to its lowest term. Children, 2 by 3, 4 by 6,
6 by 9,
8 by 12, these are equivalent fractions. And 2 by 3 is the fraction in its lowest term. Now what do we mean by lowest term? Lowest term का मतलब क्या होता है? When the numerator and the denominator of the fraction have only one as their common factor, the fraction is called in its lowest term. We can reduce any fraction to its lowest term using division. We can keep on dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number till it cannot be divided further. For example, let's take 12 by 18. 12 by 18 will be divided by 2 upon 2. 12 को भी हम 2 से divide करेंगे और 18 को भी 2 से divide करेंगे and in result we will get 6 by 9. Now 6 by 9 will be divided by 3 because 9 is odd number and it cannot be divided by 2, so we will divide it by 3. So 6 by 9 divided by 3 by 3 will be equal to 2 by 3. And because 2 and 3 cannot be divided by any common table, so 2 by 3 is the lowest term of the fraction 12 by 18. Children, there is another way to reduce the fraction into its lowest term, and that is by finding the HCF. We can find the HCF of numerator and denominator, and after that we can divide the fraction by the HCF. Now in this fraction we have numerator as 12 and denominator as 18. So let's find the HCF of 12 and 18. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now the common factors are 2, 3 and 6. And which is the highest common factor? That is 6. So HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. We can divide 12 upon 18 by 6 upon 6. So when we divide 12 by 6, we will get 2. And when we divide 18 by 6, we will get 3. This way we have reduced 12 by 18 to its lowest term, that is 2 by 3. So children, you can use the way whichever you find easier. जो भी तरीका आपको आसान लगता है आप वो यूज कर सकते हैं. So children, that's all for today. Thank you so much.